Hello everyone, we can access any WordPress login page by typing our website URL /wp-admin. In this case, custom website design.us /wp-admin. So anyone know how to access the WordPress login page? Most of the time we use the username as admin, and if someone run a bot on your login page or try to guess the login details, that person will able to access the WordPress dashboard. So to fix this, we can change the WordPress login page URL. So let's do that. First I go to WordPress dashboard by login to the WordPress website, and here I will go to plugins and add new plugin, and here I will search WPS Height login. Press enter. Now we got this WPS Height login plugin, and currently it's untested with our WordPress version, but let's try to install it. When you check this lesson, it may compatible with your website. So I click on install now and click on activate. Okay, it's successfully activate, and now I will hover over the setting. In setting we can see WPS Height login. Just click on it, and when I scroll down, here we can specify the login URL and 404 or page not found URL, which means we can create a custom page for page not found and set it here. And for now, let's only change the login URL. To do that, you can just change this text. So I will add here like GA login like this, and always remember to memorize this URL or the text that you are going to add. So I will just add login. If you forget this URL, you will not able to access the WordPress dashboard. You will have to edit the database and the plugin file, so always remember it. So I will just add login and click on save changes, and then I will click on logout. When I click on logout, our page URL change to login, and now if I try to add WP admin, it will redirect to the 404 page. So let's add login here, and so now you can share this URL along with the username and password. So if some person who try to add WP admin or try to login, that person will not able to do that, and this will be help to keep the professional website, and no one will know about the login page of your website. Okay, now I click on login to the website. Okay, here we can see WordPress activity in the past week. Actually I don't need it, so I will go to screen option and untick this WordPress activity in the past week icon, and all good.